Good morning, Junior 1. How are you today? Today we have lesson 2, which is called Life Cycle of a Human and Plant. Life Cycle of a Human and Plant. Let's start with the life cycle of a human. What is the meaning of a life cycle? For many years ago, you were a baby. When mom born you, you were a baby. After we eating food and drink milk, you grow and go to school and you are child. After that, you will grow more and you will go to the upper junior 5 and 6 and middle 1 and 2 and 3. After that, you will be grow more and you will be like your mom and your dad. So that's the meaning of the life cycle. So the life cycle start with baby. Start with baby. So number 1 is baby. Repeat after me, Junior 1. Baby. Baby. Number 1 is baby. Baby. And number 2 is child. 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 Like you, Junior 1. You are child. So, number 1 is baby. Number 2 is child. Child. Baby. Child. And when you go to the upper junior and middle, you will be a teenager. 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 Number 3 is teenager. Teenager. Okay, junior 1. So, number 1 is baby. Number 1 is baby. Number 2 is child. 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 Number 3 is teenager. Teenager. And when you will be like your mom and your dad, you will be adult. 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 Okay, junior 1. Let's think together. Baby, child, teenager, adult. Say again, junior 1. Baby, child, teenager, adult. Again. Baby, child, teenager, adult. So that is the life cycle of the human. It starts with number 1 is baby. Number 1 is baby. Number 2 is child. Child. Number 3 is teenager. Teenager. Number 4 is adult. Adult. Okay, junior 1. Supers. And in the same way, the plant also starts small, and by passing the time, it will grow. Okay? So the plant starts small. When the plant is small, it is a seed. 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 Number 1 is seed. Seed. Number 2 is sprout. Sprout. This is the shape of a sprout, junior 1. So, when the plant is small, it is a seed. 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 Number 2 is sprout. 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 Number 3, when it grow, yes, it will be plant. 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 Number 3 is plant. Plant. So, junior 1. Plant is, number 1 is seed. Seed. Sprout. Sprout. Plant. Plant. And number 4, it will be a flower. 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 So let's say together. The plant start with seed, sprout, plant, flower. Again, junior 1. Seed, sprout, plant, flower. Seed, sprout, plant, flower. Seed, sprout, plant, flower. This is the life cycle of the plant. Number 1 is seed. Number 1 is seed. Number 1 is seed. Number 2 is sprout. 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 3 is plant. 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 Number 4 is flower. Flower. Let's say together. Number 1, seed. Seed. Number 2 is sprout. Sprout. Number 3 is Super Junior 1, plant. Plant. Number 4, flower. Flower. So, seed, sprout, plant, flower. Seed, sprout, plant, flower. Seed, sprout, plant, flower. Okay, Junior 1. Let's solve the exercise in the main booklet. Open page 6 and solve exercise. Now we will arrange the life cycle of the plant from 1 to 4. Number 1 is the life cycle of the plant. Number 1 is, yes, seed. We will write number 1 on the seed. Yes, Super Junior 1. And number 2 is sprout. Sprout, super. We will write number 2 on sprout. So, number 1 seed. Number 2 sprout. Number 3 plant. Plant, Super Junior 1. And number 4 is flower. Flower, Super Junior 1. And now we will arrange the life cycle of a human. The life cycle of a human starts with number 1 is baby. Baby, super. We will write number 1 on baby. And number 2 after baby. Yes, number 2 is child. Child. This picture is a child. Okay, after child is a teenager. Teenager, yes. This is the teenager. And after teenager, it will be a adult. Adult. Okay, Junior 1, supers. See you next video. And we have a homework. Solve the weekend sheet number 2 in the worksheet, page 3. Page 3. Okay, see you.